This Saturday we have a demo lecture for the CAT exam. So in case you want to attend my workshop, you can attend that this Saturday. Please call the number here. Or Monday we are launching a new program. So in case you want to join the complete program or you want to go for only books mock shortcut, just call the numbers here. Guys, I'm getting this call almost every day. Sir, I've converted Dalmia College, I've converted IFMR College. Is it good for finance? Is it good for marketing? This, that. So, how to select a college based on specialization? Yes, there are some famous colleges like IIM Ahmedabad is more famous for marketing. IIM Bangalore is more famous for strategy. IIM Calcutta is more famous for finance. Check out the stats anyway. Talk to any student, they will give you this stats. Now let's compare. How bad? This does not mean IIM Ahmedabad is bad for consulting. Okay, I'll explain that why. IIM Bangalore, number of consulting firms, number of people getting into consulting is 160. Out of the batch of approximately 400, 440, 160 people have gone into consulting. Super, congrats. In IIM Ahmedabad, you know how many numbers are getting into consulting? 153. So bhai, barabar hai na almost. 160, 150, there's hardly any difference. No, sir, I want a rank 1 college. Now, if I tell him, no, they're all both same rank. If you call a doctor, he have to give you medicine, चाहे वो gems दे दे, कुछ तो मिला, पैसा खर्चा किया, फीस भरा है, कंसल्टेंसी के नाम पे कुछ तो दवाई चाहिए. This is India. Today, if you go to the doctor, if I go to any doctor, he will give me simple gyan. Your screen time increased because of your food habits have gone down. You're not working out, because of that you're not well. ऐसा नहीं आता, ये आंसर नहीं चाहिए, मुझे दवाई दो दवाई. Fine, so that's why we starting with the answer. नहीं, IIM Ahmedabad better है, Bangalore better, this way. Okay, now this is a simple example to give you. Now if you join any college, you join Dalmia, all the branches have almost same salary. आपको वहाँ जाके suppose Dalmia का average is 9, you will get 9 only. Some of you might get 10, 11, some of you might get 6, 7 also, but if average is 9, you will get 9. If you're going to college where average is 15, you will get 15. Okay, average. Now, that does not mean, suppose if I go to college which have an average salary of 15 lakhs, I'll get a 25 lakh package because I did marketing and because marketing was good there. Every college, lot of colleges are not every college, lot of colleges are doing that. They're starting promoting a particular branch as their main branch. Okay, for example, there's a college in Pune. They claim they have a Bloomberg lab. They have a Bloomberg lab. Basically, you hack as a software. If you add that software to your PC or to a terminal, that is becoming a Bloomberg terminal. Not a big deal. You just have to pay a license fees for that. Fine, it's not a big deal, trust me. But marketing point of view, it sells. A lot of colleges are doing all these things to promote their brand, which makes sense. But don't select the college because of that. Now, how to select the college based on specialization? Number 1, average salary. तो marketing कर, finance कर, तेरे को भैया उतना ही मिलने वाला है. ठीक है. Which college you're going is important. Okay, for example, finance people are paid more than HR, which is understandable. कितना फर्क है? 1-2 लाख का फर्क है. Now, if you do finance, which is the top branch from Champu College, and compare with HR of TIS, तो भाई कैसे होगा यार? इधर 20 लाख मिलने वाला उसको, even though you're in HR. Fine. So look at the average salary. You will get the average salary of that college, irrespective of the branch you are going for. General Bajaj, every year only 2 people go for HR. 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 5, 0 also sometime. 1, 2, 3 ज़्यादा लोग HR करता नहीं है. But that does not mean HR is बेकार from that college. You're still getting a 20 lakh का package. आप दिल पे हाथ रखो, तुम्हें जो अच्छा लगता है करो. ठीक है. Number 1, finance, marketing जो मिल रहा है ले लो. Number 2, if you still want to talk to the student of the college, which is a famous branch here, where you're getting more companies are coming from campus, average salary same मिलने वाला, package is going to be same, but opportunities are more in marketing, for example. Then you can select that. In case your heart is not helping you out, कि तुम finance में जाके marketing में जाओ, then choose that. ठीक है. So coming to the point is very simple. The placements are common, depend upon the college you are going for. The college which have an average salary of 7 lakhs, whichever program you go for, there are 5 programs: marketing, finance, operation, HR, IT. 5 of the main branches. You do any of the branch, you'll get a same package. Okay. If you go to college which is average is 15 lakh, for example, IIT Kharagpur, you will get a top 5 में 15 lakh का package. Someone will get 14, someone will get 13, someone will get 18. Average is 15. If you're going to the IIM, let's say IIM Shillong, where average is 18 to 20 lakhs, तुम्हें 20 ही मिलेगा भाई, तू कुछ भी कर, तू फाइनेंस कर, एचआर कर, मार्केटिंग कर, जो करना करो. दिस इज अ गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड आई वॉन्ट यू टू फॉलो योर हार्ट. Engineering, graduation, BMS, BCom, all our life we have done what people wanted us, parents, uncles, whatever they said. Now MBA mein, that's one of the best part. Most of the B schools are giving you first year common. First year you learn marketing, finance, operation, HR, IT. Second year you have to select whether you want to go for marketing or finance or HR, or you have to choose some subject, major, minor. This is the best part of MBA. Yes, there are some colleges which are doing this stupidity. They are asking you to fill the form before you join. You want to go for marketing or finance. That's stupidity kind of thing, because that's not MBA. That's not the meaning of MBA. You are making it like an engineering college. But ठीक है, they are doing it. We can't help it. Okay. So coming to the point. Point कहता मैं भूल गया. Topic कहता topic भूल गया. Oh shit. हाँ. Specialization from college does not make a major difference. The college name makes the major difference. All the best.